So today we'll be covering 4 unique AI tools and how to really understand them so you can pair them with ChatGPT to start making hundreds of dollars in income every single day. And all of these require no skill, so you could literally start these today. And I'm saving my favorite one for last. The first business is one of the most popular and highest paying businesses out there, with some people on freelancing sites reporting making multiple 6 figures per year. And one of the tools to do this was actually brought to my attention by a subscriber, so I want to thank you, Dale, for hitting me up about this. But it's called Midjourney, and it's an AI powered system that creates images using the text to image model. And the business we're going to start with this is creating logos. Now, Midjourney is currently in its beta phase, but the way it works is like this. Once you sign up, you can go into the Discord and then you can type in whatever you want into a section, and from there it will print out 4 images for you. Now, I was very specific and I put in this phrase right here and I got these 4 images. Now, there are multiple tools out there like this, and I recommend becoming familiar with a few of them to have them in your arsenal if you are offering logo services, to have a different style, because each one is a little different. But one of the reasons why I really like Midjourney is because they have a paid plan for stealth images, and here is why that's important. Because when you're working with clients and if someone's paying you $200 to $300 for a logo, you want to make sure that no one else has access to that. And a lot of these other services, Midjourney's base plan included, it's available for everyone to see. But if you choose the stealth plan, no one else can see that. And it's only $60 a month. But even with these tools, how are you supposed to find clients for people that want to pay you? Well, you can head over to Fiverr and Upwork and post a description about yourself. And this is where ChatGPT comes into play. And I asked ChatGPT to write a good ad for logo design. And this is what it came up with. Now, the online marketplaces are great, but another great place to start is to create a website and then start approaching small business clubs in your area and just advertise your services, letting them know that you create logos. And what I would do is I would look at all of the logo services in my area and I would be offering cheaper services than whatever it is that they offer. The next tool we're going to be using is Steve.ai. And this software has a lot of features, but one that I want to highlight in particular is the text to video service, meaning that it can take a written story and convert it to an animated format. Now, this is a huge component for marketing right now, whether you're a small business trying to advertise something or you're someone who makes videos trying to create a different style of content. Now, this is something that I actually paid myself for a few months ago. I paid $250 for 5 videos, and depending on the style of the video, people were charging anywhere from $40 to $250 per video. And with ChatGPT and Steve.ai, you're going to be able to make these videos in a matter of minutes. First, you're going to head over to ChatGPT and grab your story. So let's say you found a client and they want you to write a story about a fish that got lost at sea. You can ask ChatGPT to write a story about a fish lost at sea. And from there, you can take that story and then plug it into Steve.ai. And you could even take this one step further, offering clients a video newsletter service, and you could bundle that however you want. But for 45 videos on Steve.ai, it only costs $60, meaning that it's only costing you $1.30 per video. But it doesn't stop there. Starting in February, YouTube rolls out its new monetization on YouTube Shorts. And what you could do is you could take these animated stories and then voice over the story that was written and then upload those in short format form. And I think this would especially be great if there was something that you were passionate about or that you already knew a lot about. And I'm currently testing out a faceless YouTube channel now, so if it goes well, I'll be sure to update you guys with the results. The next business requires 0 capital to get started, and the tool we're going to be using is called BookBolt. And we're going to be making Kindle Direct publishing books on Amazon. But what does this exactly mean? With Kindle Direct Publishing, you can now make books with 0 upfront costs, and they only get printed after the customer already buys them. This means that you can test out a bunch of books to see what sells and save thousands of dollars in the process. And the way this is going to work is, first we need to see what books are actually selling. So what type of book are we going to make?